Are you looking for a way to change the email address of your Spotify account? Some users want to know how they can change the Spotify email or complain that they can't change it. Here we will show you the step-by-step process to change the email address of your Spotify account easily. Before we start, make sure you have the access of your new email as you would have to verify it. Open Spotify app, tap on the settings icon, tap account, tap edit besides email, remove the old email and enter the new one, enter your password, tap save. Your email address will be updated, but you would need to verify it. Open your mail. Now open the mail from Spotify, tap confirm email. You will get to this screen and your email will be changed. Now tap open Spotify to get to your app and now you can start using it. So guys, this is the way you can change the email on Spotify from mobile. That's it for now. If you have any query on the topic, let us know in the comment below and always stay with our channel. Thank you.